Hey there! If you already own an EGO leaf blower and want to unlock even more performance, the Sealegend Car Drying Nozzle is a smart upgrade that delivers real results. Designed to fit a wide range of EGO models like 530, 575, 580, 615, 650, 670, and 765, this compact attachment instantly turns your blower into a precision drying and cleaning tool. What makes it stand out is its focused airflow design. Instead of air dispersing everywhere, it channels the power into a tight stream, helping you dry your car faster and more efficiently. It's perfect for getting into mirrors, wheels, grills, and trim where water usually hides, reducing streaks and preventing water spots for a cleaner finish. The 360 degrees rotation feature adds a whole new level of control. You can easily adjust the angle while working, making it simple to follow curves, reach tight spaces, and clean awkward areas without constantly repositioning yourself. Whether you're drying your car, clearing snow off surfaces, or blowing leaves out of corners and edges, it adapts effortlessly. Another big advantage is the scratch protection design, allowing you to work close to your car's surface without worrying about damage. It's ideal for anyone who wants a safe, touch-free drying solution that still delivers powerful results. Lightweight, durable, and easy to attach, this 9.5-inch nozzle enhances both efficiency and convenience. It's a small addition that makes a noticeable difference in speed, precision, and overall cleaning quality. Ready to get more out of your blower? Click the link below for the best price and upgrade your cleaning routine with the Sealegend Car Drying Nozzle today.